How to log into Paperless Employee Portal. Hi everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily sign into Paperless Employee Account Portal. First thing you have to do is go ahead and search for Paperless Employee Login on your web browser, like so, and then hit enter. Once you search for it, you'll find the first link that says paperlessemployee.com. Go ahead and tap on that link. Then you'll get to the welcome page. So what you're gonna have to do here is to access your information, you'll need the paperlessemployee.com website address provided by your employer. So what you're gonna have to do is tap on this paperlessemployee.com / enter your company name. And then if you do not have this information, you're gonna have to contact your company's HR or payroll team. And then you will just be able to log into your user ID as well as your user password. So just go ahead and tap on this link right here. After that, right here, you'll see the option to log into your account. Simply enter your user ID and then go to the password section to enter your password. And after you've done that, you can just click on this login button. Now, if you want to view or if you want to reset your password, just tap on this forgot password button down below. Enter your user ID, verify all of your information, and you should be able to recover it. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.